Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
In some recipes, pure vanilla extract adds the subtle and delicious flavor of vanilla that is easy to taste. It also enhances the flavor of other ingredients in more complex recipes. In a chocolate cake, for example, you don't taste the vanilla, but without it the cake would not be as flavorful.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Leave it out if you don't have any of the substitutions on hand. You can simply leave out the vanilla extract and continue with your recipe. As long as vanilla isn't a star ingredient, there shouldn't be much difference in taste.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Steeping ingredients like vanilla and herbs in the cream really brings out the flavor. I add a teaspoon or two of Mexican vanilla along with the pods beans to amp up the vanilla flavor. Use more vanilla.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
My go-to substitute for vanilla extract is maple syrup. It has the same sweet aroma, and it does a pretty good job of mimicking vanilla's slightly smoky flavor. Use the same amount of maple syrup as you would vanilla, and you'll barely notice the difference.
Take our lead.
If you don't put vanilla extract in a cake without any other flavoring, it will taste of butter, of sugar and a bit like sweetened eggs. If you don't use butter it will just taste sweet and a bit eggy. I think that leaving salt out would more adversely affect the taste than leaving out vanilla.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
After consultation with Islamic scholars, understanding the food science, and testing, we have concluded that products containing less than 0.1% alcohol that is not sourced from an alcoholic beverage can be certified halal.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.